Hey everybody, today we're going to harvest some potatoes. These are russet potatoes, grand russet potatoes, planted on March 27th. I started these indoors from potatoes we harvested last year, originally from Burpee. So they were planted in a 10-gallon root pot, and I think just using regular like Miracle-Gro potting soil. Okay, so you can see they're falling over, starting to brown. They could probably go a little longer, but we need potatoes. So here we go. Just gonna pull these guys up a bit. See, we got some potatoes on there already. These are just grown on my front porch here, basically. So there's some potatoes there. Let's see what else we got here. A couple more. Let's say, what are those, medium size? Would you say medium? Maybe a couple of small ones. Let's see if there's anything in the bag. Okay, we're getting some more. Here's a nice one. This was one potato that I planted. I kept a couple, but they didn't all make it. We got some little ones in here. There you go. I think that's what we got. It's not bad from one potato. I don't know, it's probably, a couple pounds at least there. Okay. Thank you guys very much. Have a great afternoon.